teacher. I am Hadira.
What do you make for breakfast? I make bread. What do you make for breakfast? I make brownies. What do you make for breakfast? I make cookies. What do you make for breakfast? I make cakes. What do you make for breakfast? I make chicken. What do you make for breakfast? I make fish. Жана ушул breakfast'ти вакыттарга өзгөрсөк болот. Мисалы, dinner, lunch, жана in the kitchen. What do you bake for breakfast? Биякта bake өзгөрүп атат. Биякта make болчу, биякта bake. Бул bake'тин переводу печешь. I bake bread. Биякта make'тин ордуна bake'ти колдонобуз. Мисалы, what do you bake for breakfast? I bake bread. What do you bake for breakfast? I bake brownies. What do you bake for breakfast? I bake cookies. What do you bake for breakfast? I bake cakes. What do you bake for breakfast? I bake chicken. What do you bake for breakfast? I bake fish. What do you have for breakfast? I eat bread. What do you have for breakfast? I eat brownies. What do you have for breakfast? I eat cookies. What do you have for breakfast? I eat cakes. What do you have for breakfast? I eat chicken. What do you have for breakfast? I eat fish. Бул биякта ит өзгөрүлөт. Ит коюу тамактарга колдонулат. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat soup and yogurt. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat sausages. Суюктуктарда drink'ти колдонобуз. What do you drink for breakfast? I drink yogurt. What do you drink for breakfast? I drink tea. What do you drink for breakfast? I drink juice. Ал эми суюктукту жана коюуну экинчи жолу колдоноолордо биз have'ди айтабыз. Бул What do you have for breakfast? I have soup and yogurt. What do you have for breakfast? I have egg. Ал эми коюу тамактарды жана суюктукту колдонгондо биз have'ти колдонобуз. Мисалы, what do you have for breakfast? I have soup and yogurt. What do you have for breakfast? I have eggs and tea. What do you have for breakfast? I have sausages and juice. What do you have? Biz koyu tamактарды жана суюктуктарды колдонгондо биз have'ти колдонобуз. Мисалы, what do you have for breakfast? I have soup and yogurt. What do you have for breakfast? I have eggs and tea. What do you have for breakfast? I have sausages and juice. Биз жөн эле башка жака жатып айтып жатканда I go to the kitchen every morning деп айтабыз. Эгер бирөөгө доказать этип чындап эле ошол жака барам деген сөздү айтса I do go to the kitchen every morning дейбиз. Эгерде азыр бара жатсаң анда every morning деп қосып қоюбуз. Анда мынтип айтылат. I am going to the kitchen деп айтылат. Goodbye teacher.